In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change character in Project Sekai. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the characters that you have in Project Sekai and how to manage them. So all that you have to do is, before going into a show, just tap on the characters option. Usually it's going to be right here at the bottom right corner of the screen, so you don't even have to open this menu. Just tap on characters. Now you will find the main options regarding your characters. If you just want to change your character that you currently have, go into the edit option. You will be able to have 10 preset groups. So if you don't want to keep editing them over and over again, just go into any of these presets and you will be able to customize it however you like. Whenever you tap on one of these slots, you can choose the character and then select. You will be able to have a leader and then a sub-leader on each of these teams or groups. So whenever you have all of your characters set up here, you will be able to save it. You can tap recommended, and usually it is going to try to give you the best groups according to your parameters set up here. So you can just choose whichever one you prefer and see if it gives you a group. You can rename it, and you will be able to see all of the information available here. So you have the talent points, the bonuses, and so on. Whenever you go into any show, you can tap on any of these groups that you have set up to automatically use them. You have event bonuses and group bonus eligibilities here, but I'm not going to go into too much detail. But basically, you will get bonuses depending on the leaders, sub-leaders, and the characters that you have set up. When you have your groups ready, you can just go into any show. The other options here refer to improving your character's stats, their talent levels, and so on. So you have plenty of options to explore, but if all you want to do is change the characters that you have, just go into edit. I hope I was able to help you on how to change character in Project Sekai. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.